Y'all up? I know I'm up. Y'all up? Is there a limit on my Chime credit builder card? Or is there a limit on my Chime spending card? And it goes hand in hand, it goes both ways. But first, let me go ahead and grab this Chime right up here. We got the lovely old, we got the debit card. I don't know if this guy's gonna focus. We got the debit card, and then we have the Chime credit card. If you guys are not hip and don't know what Chime is, download Chime. Alright, download Chime. The link is in the description. They're gonna give you guys $50, and then they're actually gonna give somebody else $50. You know, I don't know. They may even throw me $50, but use the link in the description. And what it is, it's a checking account. You know what I mean? You can get paid 2 days earlier if you're employed. So let's say if you got a paycheck and the normal paychecks come on Friday, sign up with Chime, you'll get paid on Wednesday, sometimes even Tuesday. You know what I mean? Some people are getting paid on Mondays, which is crazy, you know, but it all depends on your employer. And I'll kind of break that down a little bit as well. Basically, once your employer puts in your payroll, that next day it's available with Chime. You know, for some strange reason, we've been programmed to think we get paid on Fridays and that the payroll is due on Fridays. In reality, if you're in tune and you know, like, payroll should be done, you know, on a normal company, payroll should be done around Monday, Tuesday. You know, they submit them in, and then your money gets on like a hold, you know what I mean, on a hold until Friday. But with Chime, let's say your payroll get put in Tuesday or Wednesday, those funds are available the next day. So it's very, like, it's convenient. You get paid earlier. Like I said, everybody else could be walking around, get paid on waiting on Friday to get paid, and then with Chime, you're actually getting paid on Wednesday, Tuesday. Like I said, some people get paid on Mondays. It's crazy. But I got the Chime credit card and the Chime debit card, but we're going to talk about the spending limit on the Chime credit card. And it actually goes both ways. You know what I mean? Is there a spending limit? Should you put a certain amount on your card? You know what I mean? How does it really fully work? You know, a lot of people have been asking me, like, how does it really fully work? I made multiple videos on my channel as far as the credit builder card. I explained it detail to detail. But if you guys got any other questions regarding those, of course you guys can drop them below. And when it comes to the spending limit, there's a $2,500 spending limit, meaning per day. You know what I mean? So let's say if you have, whatever the case may be, if you're getting money, you get your payroll in there, you get a lot of incomes, there's a $2,500 transaction per day. You know, some places, you know, other banks, they may be like a $400, $300, you know, $500, then your card get locked per day. You know, but Chime is $2,500. It's simple, you know what I mean, and that's a good amount that you can't. I'm gonna say a lot of people don't go over it, but like the normal person, you know what I mean, with the payroll that's getting paid every 2 weeks, that's, you know what I mean, that's enough. That's enough cushion to actually work with the $2,500, and you get that per day. You know what I mean, you get that per day. Now, if you guys want to actually sign up with Chime, like I mentioned before, use the link in the description. It's very simple. It literally takes like 30 seconds. It literally takes 30 seconds. There's no extra fees you gotta worry about, overdraft fees. So that's the next question. I actually just answered the next question, which is, can I overdraft on my credit builder card? And the answer is no. There's no overdraft fees. You can't overdraft. And in reality, I'm not gonna say you can't overdraft, because it's times I have overdraft about $1 or $2, and they spotted me. You know what I mean? So they actually will spot you when it comes to the credit builder card. But once they do that, there's no penalties. So like a lot of places, let's say if you go over, let's say if you got $30 on your card, you use it and you overdraft, you get gas, you overdraft. Some banks, not some banks, all banks, most of the banks I dealt with, I can't speak for all banks, but let's say most of the banks, they would charge you a $35 fee, $45, $50, whatever that fee is, but it's based on overdraft fee. You know what I mean? But with Chime, if you overdraft, if you happen to overdraft on getting gas, some of those things like that, there's no charge, so you won't see an extra $35 slapped on to the $2 that you only overdraft. You know what I mean? And that's the thing and the difference between Chime. Some banks, as I mentioned, $35 fee. I'm like, geez, this is more than what I actually overdrafted. You may overdraft $2 and then get hit with a $35 fee every single day. So then by the end of the week, by the time the normal person gets paid by Friday, they then racked up $75, $130 fees, just on fees, and they overdrafted only $2. You know, so like Chime will help and protect you when it comes to that. Like you can overdraft if you have the direct deposit link to your spending account. You can actually overdraft and they will spot you. So with the Spot Me feature, which I'll talk about as well, you can get spot up to $100, $40, $50, whatever the case may be. They will spot you that until your next paycheck. But you have to have those reoccurring payments on your account. Now when it comes to the credit builder card, if you overdraft, you can overdraft like a couple bucks, $3 or $4, you know, and won't get an overdraft fee. So to answer that question, no, there is no overdraft fee. Can you overdraft? Yes, you can. I have, and not even knowingly. You know what I mean? Like I said, I got gassed. I pumped, got gas, and went over. You know, and I actually said, you know what? Let me see if there is a fee, because you know some banks say there's no overdraft fee, or we're gonna help you or secure it. That way you got overdraft protection, and you still end up overdrafting, and you end up still having to pay a fee. I've been there, you know. But with Chime, you don't have to worry about that. So even if you do overdraft $1, $2, $3, whatever the case may be, there's no overdraft fee. You won't have to look on your account and say, dang, I just got hit with a $35 fee, another $35 fee. Like I said, by the time you realize it, you be like, I'm spending more on the fees than I actually am when I overdrafted. So I've been through that process. I've been through that. I've been there, done that, and it's not a good feeling. Trust me, not a good feeling. But with Chime, you don't have to worry about that. Do not have to worry about that. The Chime Credit Builder Card, and they're doing the 40 transactions right now. Meaning, if you hit the 40 transactions, they're going to be giving you guys a shiny metal card. It's green. I have not received my card yet. I don't think I hit 40 transactions yet, but I'm actually going to try to get that this month. I actually got like a couple more weeks to actually try to hit that. And with Christmas shopping, you know what I mean, it's the perfect time to actually try to get those 40 transactions. You know, it's Christmas. You know what I mean, why not try to get it? If you got any questions regarding Chime, drop the comments below. Like I said, I'm trying to help you guys and give you guys the best knowledge as possible. I've had Chime for months to almost years, like probably years, probably a good year, but I probably had it about a year and a half or so. You know what I mean? I haven't had any complaints with Chime at all. You know what I mean? At all. And like I said, I can only speak on my experiences. So every time I speak, I'm only speaking on my experiences. Any other questions, drop the comments below. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. I'm just trying to help you guys build. We're trying to build credit. We're trying to build wealth, build health, build